Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign out of a Slack workspace using your mobile device. First of all, launch the Slack application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now go to the top left corner and tap on the initial icon and then select your workspace from the menu. Tap the three dot right next to the workspace you want to sign out from and then tap on the sign out button. Click on sign out once again and this will sign you out of the selected workspace. If you are signed into multiple workspaces, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Signing out of a workspace on Slack is a simple process that enhances your account's security and ensures your privacy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.